Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Nasir Soft. This is the tutorial series of top PHP concepts for interview preparation, and in this video we will talk about the concept of string position versus substring. That are two or PHP function strpos and substring. Okay, this is the first tutorial of this series, and in this video we will talk about and in more depth about these two terms. String position. String position find the position of the first occurrence of a substring in a string. In string position function, the first parameter indicates the string in which we want to search, and the second parameter indicates that basically the term of a string that we want to found inside the whole my string. We will discuss this in more depth by coding. Okay, I will show you in a PHP terminal basically through this function practically. This is the PHP code, and in this one basically the string position have two parameters. The first, inside the first parameter, that is my string, and my string there is a whole the string in which we find the find me string. Okay, that's it. Basically I want to find the soft inside the Nasir soft, for example, and return in the position POS variable. Basically the string position, if match occurred, basically if soft is found inside this string, that is Nasir soft, then it will return the first occurrence of the find string. For example, in this scenario, if soft is well found inside the Nasir soft, then it will start by default from the left side, and from 0 1 2 3 4, and the first occurrence, that is 5, the soft first occurrence, that is 5. So it will returns me the position of 5. Basically soft is find inside the Nasir soft at 5 in position, and below this I just write a meaningful code. If position not occur, then the string find me was not found, there is meaningful message, and if this will find, then the string find me was found in the string this one at this position. So first I run this program. Okay, I go to and inside my localhost and enter this one, then this shows me the string sort was found in the string Nasir sort at exist position of 5. So very cool. So now I go to the code, and now I just change some of the text. Okay, the string position has optional third parameter also. The third parameter, by the third parameter, that is offset, we will indicate the position from which the search start. For example, in this scenario I said 2. It means that you will start at the position of 0 1 2 n. From ns you start the search from soft to this one. Okay, for example, here Nasir, after Nasir soft I just write a dummy one, that is for example NAS and then soft. Okay, so now this position is 5. So I just said that you will start from the position of 6. Okay, so now what happened, you will see that now the find soft was just started from O word, and after O word that it will search and it will find at this position, and the position is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So basically it will start from O. It just neglect the first soft, because basically it starts after the S. So therefore now it will search the soft and return the position of this S. Okay, so I just run the program and refresh it. so it shows me the 12 position. Understand? Basically it not give me the position of first soft, basically it start from the O, not S, basically of 6 from the left side, so therefore it will give us the position of this soft. Okay, so this parameter is optional, offset, and it will indicates the starting point of the search occur of string position. Okay, if the value is negative, for example, if give this value from -6 or something, if the value is negative, then it will start from the right side. So this is a very important questions in interviews. Okay, hope you will understand. After the string position, now we will move toward the substring. The substring return the part of a string. It has two parameters and the third option one. The first parameter of substring is string, and then the start index, and after that one that is an optional, that is a length. Okay, we will discuss is practically by showing this one in code. In the code there is a substring function, and inside the substring function the first parameter indicates, as we will discuss before, that is a string. For example, in this scenario the string is A B C D E F. Okay, first I just remove the third one parameter, and first we will check with the two parameter. Okay, the third one is optional one. So it shows us the first parameter is string, and after the string the second parameter indicates that you will start at the position of 0 and send and return us the specific. For example, in this scenario at 0 index, that is the character that is mentioned at A. Okay, so it will return us the following output. Okay, you will see. Let's save and go to the your browser, and so it return as the A B C D E F. Basically it start from the 0 and it display the whole string after that one. Okay, so the output is very simple, that is A B C D, the whole string. Now I just mention it, you will start at the index of 2. Okay, so now it will return us, it will start from the 2 index. The 2 index is as index 0, that is A, index 1, that is B, and index 2, that is C, starting from the 0. So it just display us from starting from the 2 the whole string, that is C D E F. Okay, let's check. Control S, save, and go to the browser and refresh the page. That is the output is very cool, C D E F. Okay, so now move toward next. So now we will check it with the third one optional parameter, that is length. Okay, for example, in this scenario I said that you will start at the 2 index and the length is 1. Okay, so just give me the one length starting from the 2, that is C, and give me the only one character, that is one length. Basically it just return me the C. Okay, so now go to the browser and refresh the page. The output is C. Basically I define the length. Okay, so therefore it just give me this C. Now I mentioned that you will give me the 2 length. Okay, the 2 characters, basically starting from this 2, and give me the 2 character, that is one is C and the next is D. Okay, so just save this one and refresh the browser, that is CD. Okay, very good. So now basically if the length is positive, then it will start from the left side. Okay, for example, in this scenario I just mentioned it when that start from the 0 index, and for example -2, the length is -2. So now that is very tricky. So basically it start from the A 0 index, and from negative sign shows that from the right side, length is from the right side, and -2 means F is -1 and E is -2. So basically just ignore the 2 from the last. Okay, start to just it give us the output from by neglecting this 2 from the last, that is A B C and D. Okay, let's see from the browser, just refresh. So it is very cool, A B and C D. So it's just give me ignoring the from the last 2. Okay, so now Hope you will understand. Basically the first parameter is string, the second parameter is starting index, and the third parameter indicates the length. If the length is positive, then it indicates that, for example, it is 2, that it indicates from the starting from the 0 and just give us the 2 character, that is AB. And for example, if we check that the output is AB, okay, and if the last length is negative, that it shows that from starting from the right and ignore the last 2 character. For example, in this scenario is -2. Okay, so hope you will understand this concept of substring. Okay, move toward the slide. So you now you understand about the string position and the substring. These two basically topics, or these two PHP functions are the most asked PHP interview questions. So hope you will understand, and you will also check in more detail of string position and string substring from these references, mentioned references. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more PHP related interview questions. I hope you will enjoy it. Allah Hafiz.